I came to Stratford Chefs School because I worked in a restaurant before, and I've always been interested in cooking. I was always a home cook. But when I worked in a restaurant, my head chef was a graduate of the Stratford Chefs School, and she really kind of inspired me, and she was a great example of what I would like to become one day as a chef.
What sets the school apart from other culinary institutions is our small teacher to student ratio. We often have very few students in the class, and they get a lot of personal time with the instructors. What else sets us apart is that the majority of the teaching staff, as well as the other staff, the theory instructors, are all industry professionals. We all have other careers, other jobs outside of just teaching, so we remain up to date on industry.
After my first career that lasted about 30 years, I had some time and some bit more energy left in me to try something that I've always had in the back of my mind. Level 1 is blowing my mind, and blowing my mind in a really good way. I'm learning so much.
We have a variety of students who come to the chef school and who all succeed. We have young people who have never worked in restaurants before, who are coming for some cooking experience, who graduate and are almost ready to become chefs on their own. We have career changes, folks who are coming in after leaving a second career or a first career.
I think it's getting out of my comfort zone, and I think that's the biggest highlight for me. Doing things I've never done before. I've never worked in a professional kitchen, so this is an opportunity for me just to do some things that I'm just not quite comfortable with, and sort of expanding my mindset.